Hello, curious minds. Today, we're exploring the empowering journey of learning a new skill from scratch, even if you believe you have zero talent. Join me as we uncover the steps and mindset needed to embark on this transformative adventure. Learning a new skill is not about innate talent. It's about dedication, persistence, and the willingness to embrace challenges. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose a skill that sparks your interest. Whether it's painting, playing a musical instrument, cooking gourmet meals, coding, or mastering a new language, find something that excites and motivates you. Consider what you're passionate about or curious to explore. The joy of learning often comes from pursuing something that resonates with your personal interests. Step 2. Set clear and achievable goals. Define what you want to accomplish with your new skill, whether it's mastering basic techniques, completing a project, or reaching a specific proficiency level. Break down your goals into smaller milestones. Celebrate each achievement along the way to stay motivated and track your progress. Step 3. Embrace the learning process. Understand that everyone starts as a beginner. Allow yourself to make mistakes, learn from them, and persist through challenges. Learning a new skill is a journey of growth and discovery. Each practice session builds your confidence and competence over time. Step 4. Seek resources and support. Utilize online tutorials, books, courses, and workshops to gain knowledge and skills. Join communities of learners or find a mentor who can provide guidance and encouragement. Surround yourself with supportive people who share your passion or are willing to cheer you on as you progress. Their encouragement can make a significant difference in your learning journey. Step 5. Practice consistently. Dedicate regular time to practice your skill, even if it's just a few minutes each day. Consistency builds muscle memory, improves retention, and accelerates your learning curve. The more you practice, the more confident and proficient you'll become. Remember, progress is made one step at a time. Learning a new skill with zero talent is about embracing curiosity, persistence, and a growth mindset. With dedication and the right approach, you can achieve remarkable results and discover new passions along the way. I hope this journey into learning new skills has inspired you to embark on your own learning adventure. Remember, the journey is as rewarding as the destination itself.